Hey guys, it's Janine Romo, aka La Wild Explorer, and I am here today to show you all of my travel essentials. So first on the list is a water bottle. I travel with this 32-ounce Hydro Flask because it keeps my cold water cold, any hot beverages hot. Also, after I go through TSA with an empty water bottle, I fill it up on the other side and I don't have to buy an overpriced water bottle because nobody wants to be paying $5 for Dasani water. I have this portable charger. It's by Anker. I love this thing. It holds up to 4 charges. So I use my phone a lot for everything, for photos, for checking my email, for checking social media. So I need to power up every so often. Having a portable charger is just so amazing. I could charge up anywhere. I don't have to look for an outlet. I could just easily throw everything in my purse and it's charging. I always have my toiletry case ready to go. Everything is pretty much in here except for like my makeup, which I take out after each trip because I use it. But everything else is pretty much ready to go. And it has this cool hook that you could just like hook on and hang that in the bathroom, and it just makes life easier. I love how there's all these different compartments. I have nail clippers, nail file, hair stuff, Q-tips, floss, everything that isn't a liquid goes in here. I even keep hairbrushes in here. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff fits in here. This thing is a lifesaver. And then I have a separate liquids bag. So this is a TSA sized, TSA approved, I guess, toiletry or liquids bag that I got. It's super sturdy, so it's not gonna like rip or break or anything. It's clear on both sides, so you can easily see everything. All of my liquids fit into this bag, and I still have a little bit more room. A universal adapter. This is super crucial if you want to power any of your accessories abroad, your phone, whatever it may be. I have a couple of these. Okay, I absolutely love this thing. It is my travel pillow with a hood. It's by Snuggie actually. And it's a little dinosaur one. I love this thing because I could just be like, don't bother me. Or, wear it off. But, if you don't like wearing eye mask, or you just want to like burrow into your seat, watch, your movie on the plane, or read your book, this is just like a total like, I'm chilling out. So I love this thing. Yeah, if I didn't look like such a weirdo, I'd wear this thing all the time. Okay, eye mask and earplugs, super awesome. Hey, are you joining us? I love these things. If you're at a place, like a lot of hotels have blackout curtains, but if you're staying like at an Airbnb or a hostel, like get full darkness with this. And I just love what it says. Earplugs, kind of similar. Not everywhere is going to be super quiet. Maybe your travel partner snores. I don't know. Earplugs, they're super small. Take them with you just in case. Sometimes places are noisy. You're staying on like the ground level of an apartment. It's a busy street. Drown out that noise. Get some earplugs. Next up is headphones or earbuds. I use just the normal earbuds that came with my iPhone. I'm not a big like listen to music while I'm walking around type person. I usually read a book when I'm like on public transportation or on a flight. I may watch a movie every now and then, but if you're more of like you listen to stuff often, I would invest in a more comfortable pair of headphones. a travel towel. I actually have a few of these. I like just taking them. Even if I know I'm staying at a place that has towels, I just like having an extra towel. I don't know why, but if I'm going to the beach or wherever, I just like to have an extra towel. Yeah, and they're super compact. They fit in like these little pouches, ready to go. All right, then I have my packing cubes. These are a lifesaver. Hi, Pixie. So I've got my large packing cube, the extra large one, holds all my dresses, skirts. The medium size one keeps all my tops and bottoms or shorts. So I'll keep like pants in here as well. This one holds all of my shoes, which I only have 2 pairs of shoes in here. This is for all my undergarments, the small one, and the extra small one has just like some YouTube, some GoPro gear and camera gear. And this is my electronics case. This thing is awesome. I could easily keep my hard drive, some USB cables, just a whole bunch of stuff, some memory cards, my DSLR charger. If I'm going to a beach location or going to be swimming at the pool, I bring a wet bag. This thing is awesome. It keeps whatever I put in there, wet swimsuit or whatever, it keeps it separate from everything else so that nothing else gets wet. And I take a hydrating face mask to keep my skin hydrated if I'm doing any long haul flights. So we all know how dry the air is in an airplane, so tip, take a hydrating face mask. Love it. And then I also take this important item. It's like a zip pouch. I keep antibacterial wipes in here, my portable charger, a pen, lip balm, and like a hand lotion. I put this in the seat pocket on the flight. That way I don't have to keep reaching over into my backpack or my bag to get out all those loose items. Last item, and a really good tip, is to bring a tote bag wherever you might be going. Sometimes, you know, you may end up having to check your bag in because you purchased, I don't know, alcohol or a bunch of liquids or something like that. So you could put all of those things in your tote bag and keep it on the cabin, or just to use as a day bag or a beach bag. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to hear about anything else, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. You could also follow me on Instagram at LaWildExplorer, and I will see you next time.